Hi there, my name is Steve. I'm going to show you how to pull out a dishwasher without cutting the tile. If you have a dishwasher that is tiled in and you're trapped and you can't get it out and you don't know what to do, you don't want to break your tiles, I'm going to try something that hasn't been done yet. I'm going to cut the top of it off. As you can see, it's pretty plastic, so I could probably cut that with the Sawzall. And the stainless steel ones I think are a lot much harder. This is what I plan to use to cut around here. Might be coming out right now. All right. You see that? Success.
I need your mill over there, so I'm gonna break this up.
This is the final product. Dishwasher complete. New one's in, and it was a success. Well, it was a success. I got the new dishwasher in. As you can see, it's brand new. It's nice and quiet, and the old one's out, and I didn't have to break the tile. Take a look at the tile right there, Stevie. No tile mess ups there. Thanks for watching.